bump the resolution back up on this. Ooh, not a party. Hmm. Okay. It looks like I broke my webcam. That's unfortunate. Um. So we've got this kind of like awkward photo of me being awkward. That's legit. I guess let's just turn that off, and we'll just do today with without the webcam. And left hand side. Nope, not what I wanted to hide. No. Great. Okay, cool. And so I'm gonna go ahead really quickly and talk about what we're doing today. So today we are going to be trying to get Dask working on sorry, my brain is just not firing at 100%. We are going to be trying to get Dask on Cube with Parquet and MinIO to all have a party together. So get contexts. I never remember what it's called. Give me a second. Okay, it is called cube ctl config use context K3s. Okay. -n Dask. Great. Okay, so we've got a bunch of stuff there. We're gonna go ahead and delete all of that. Sorry, gotta put the xargs in front. While we're doing that, I'm gonna try to be very super scientific. Unplugging. Ooh. Sorry. Okay, we plugged it back in, so the audio is working. Let's see if the webcam is gonna work. Yay! The webcam is working! Great, so we'll go ahead and we'll unhide that, and we'll unhide the webcam box. Yay! Okay, cool. Okay, so we did that delete. All of those things are deleted. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to launch a Jupyter Notebook in just a second. So, but we want to go back to... Okay, cool. Scaling. And we're going to go into Dask samples. The other thing that I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up Dask examples. There's this worker spec, and we're going to bump this version to 06, I guess. Does that seem right? Let's double check. Docker buildx. Oh, no, it is 05. Let's try that. That's probably the right version. Okay, right. And so now let's go ahead and launch the Jupyter notebook. Okay, go ahead, bring this over here. And so then down here in, yeah, so that's, we're not going to use localhost anymore. It's not really the one we want to use. Sorry, my brain is, as I keep saying, not doing 100%. kubectl get service -n MinIO. Okay, and so this we're going to use doot.svc Kubernetes service DNS. Yeah. .svc. Okay, and so don't want the pod name. Want my service, my namespace. Okay, so this is the service. The namespace is MinIO, and then .service cluster.local. I think that'll do the trick. Now let's also restart and so the other thing that we're going to do, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to swap to CSV. To CSV brings it back locally. Let's try Parquet. Okay. So let's go ahead really quickly. I'm going to tweet this. Distributed rights. Okay, cool beans, cool beans. Okay, cool. So we'll tweet that really quickly. So let's go through, let's go kernel, restart, and run all. And while it does that, we will talk through what the different cells are doing. So this is just the import. This says to set up a load balancer, and this allows my client machine to talk to the scheduler that runs inside of Kubernetes. So this Jupyter notebook is running on my machine, and the actual Dask scheduler is running in my cluster back there, which I think is pretty cool. There's the worker spec, and we were just editing that, or we were looking at it, just to make sure that I'd specified the right version. And this is because I'm using my own base image. We can see we're using dynamic scaling. And then we just do some like, what would I call this? Some like, sort of like hello world kind of stuff, just to make sure that everything's working okay. After that, this is the MinIO storage options. And so this configures it to use the default your access key and your secret key, not very secure, but it points to the MinIO deployment that we've got inside of the cluster, and it configures the signature version to be S3v4, I believe. Okay, and so then, what's going on? Why is it not starting scheduler pod yet? kubectl get all -n dask. Oh, interesting. So that means that the image didn't get pushed. Okay. That's fine. This means it's going to take a few more minutes though. Okay. So let's build the new container. Let's verify that the container has pyarrow in it, because that's why I was building the new container. Because I want to use pyarrow so that we can use, yep, there we go, pyarrow's in there. Okay, that should work. While that's going, because this is going to take a very long time, because now we're going to have to wait for the image to get built, I'm going to go ahead and look up the Dask Gzip frame save as Parquet, and we are going to figure that out. Okay, so it's called toParquet, and then if we go look at the toParquet function, no, I can't spell for shit. Okay, so by default it just chooses one of the two engines. I'm only installing pyarrow, so that should be the engine that it uses. I guess we could use let's use Gzip Compression. Okay. So there's a part down here where I'm okay, so there's the storage options. We're gonna go ahead. Compression is Gzip. So then I think partition on is going to be the magic. And so I'm actually going to go ahead. We're going to do this as two separate. So this is probably going to fail. Cell below. This will probably still bring everything back to the client. I'm guessing no. And then insert cell below. We'll go ahead and I think what the magic is going to be is it's going to be it was partition on list. Okay. So we'll go ahead and we'll give it a partition on list. And I think that's going to be, I think this is going to be the magic. I think partition on list. So based on the comment, based on, I think this is the value we want. So I think that's the value we want. I'm not 100% sure, of course, but we will find out. So, oh, cool. Okay, well, oh, right, yeah. It's going to take a while. Actually, we should probably just go ahead and stop this, because this is not really going to succeed like any meaningful time soon. And I just changed a bunch of code. Let's see if that killed. Okay. So stopping the kernel didn't magic it, but that's okay. Delete pod-n dask. And I imagine that's just because it wasn't like all the way set up, and if it had been all the way set up, we've seen before when we stop the kernel, the Dask is very considerate and cleans up after itself. Okay. So I guess the other thing that I can do while I'm doing this is I also got a new laptop today. Or, well, it's a new to me laptop. Yeah. Let's go. Plug it into charge because charging is good. It's good. And the other thing that I want to figure out is, well, not figure out. The other thing that I want to do just while this is going on is I'm going to download Ubuntu 20.04. Yeah. There we go. Okay. And we can write it to have thoughts somewhere around here. Well, I have some garbage. And sort of right. Always have some garbage. Yeah. That's exciting. There we go. Okay. Magical happy charger things. Do their magical happy charge things. Oh, it's English. Let's just hook it up to charge. Okay, that's an interesting sound, but it's okay. Okay, I need to find. Oh, here we go. Here is a kind of old, whatever you call it, doohickey thingamabobber. Doohickey thingamabobber. Yes. Very official name. Doohickey thing. Best flash drive. Oh God. Okay, and then what's the? Oh, looks like I already flashed it to it, so we're good. That's probably fine. I can just go ahead and use this to install Linux on the other machine while our friend is installing pyarrow. Let's hope that works. Let's hope that works. Okay. No, actually. Part of me wants to wait for my replacement NVMe drive I ordered and install it in the computer before I bother installing Linux, because that'll just simplify my life a little bit. Okay, it arrives on Thursday. Yeah, I can wait until Thursday. That's fine. We'll set up the new computer on Thursday, and it looks like we're almost there. So that's good. That's good. Oh, okay. Right. Yeah. Mm, mm, okay. Who's calling me? Seattle? Okay. Uh, Give me a second just to make sure that everything's okay. That was Amazon delivery. Of I don't actually know what, but I'm sure my phone will tell me in a little bit, and I'll go grab it after we're done here. But I just had to let the person in. Oh, okay. How are we doing? Oh, this is slow. Oh, I really hope this works. If it doesn't work, I'm going to be frustrated. Let's take a look at why it's taking so long. Like, I would have thought this would just work. So let's go ahead. Like, and by just work, I mean, I wouldn't think it would take this long to install Arrow. I'm at the very least a little bit confused. No, so it is. It's there is a Arch 64 version of it. So I don't know why this is taking so long. I shouldn't be compiling a bunch of stuff. It should just work, right? I mean, that's fine. That's fine. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Oh, it is going to take a while. Hmm. Why are these conflicts so complicated? Ah, now I can find out what it was that was delivered. It was, oh, cool. Some stain remover for stuff with the puppy. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. There we go. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Great. Okay. Can download new firmware for my new camera while we are. Oh, AIO HTTP. Yes. Because apparently the S3 library depends on it. So that's good. Hmm. Hmm. Ah, this is going to take forever. I'm sorry, everyone. Um, I thought this would be so much faster. I thought the wheels were pre-built on Anaconda. Like, maybe I misunderstood. Like, but this is just running rather slowly, which is fine. It's fine. Thought I'd done this step yesterday, which is I didn't. Well, no, well, I guess it is an authentic experience of spending the first 20 minutes or so building a Docker image. Mm, 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 mm. Mhm. Oof. Seems like today when I wish I had a faster computer. Um, Although I do have enough RAM. It's like, hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. Okay, thank God. So it is making some progress. Although we're not actually able to cache the wheel in between because the Docker layer gets blown away each time. That's okay though. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, these things should be faster to build, I think, maybe, relatively speaking. Um, hmm. Okay. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Ah, God damn it. Why did it wait until the very end? Or I guess, I mean, it always fails at the very end. Okay. So, I guess... Okay, let's take a look at our conflicts. Oh. Oh, God. Okay. Um... Uh... Let's go ahead and put these somewhere I can search. Cause like I don't. Hmm. Okay. And we're just gonna go into our scratch buffer and let's try and figure out. So, oh, okay. Um, what the fuck? Okay. The following specifications were found to be incompatible with each other. Okay, let's go ahead and find pyarrow. Yeah, and so it looks like it's the Python version string for pyarrow, which is the cause of this problem. For the most part. I'm guessing. Okay. So that's not obviously not ideal. Hmm. I don't. God damn it. And this only shows up, of course, inside of Conda. So there is an ARM package. It just doesn't want to install. Okay, well, let's take a look. What else can we upgrade? Is there... God damn it. Is there a new version of Dask we could try? Because it's... Okay, there's 2.30. So let's go ahead and try that. I guess like this version string is kind of difficult to read. I guess I don't super understand this version string. Yeah. I guess we could try using a different version. Like, let's go, let's say greater than or equal to 3.8. Okay, I guess I don't. So I wanna separate this out because I want to install dash dash yes. Pip install pyarrow. Okay, the other thing that I want to do while we're here, yep, run apt inside of a script. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna do a few things. And then there's like a shell environment variable that I want to set. Yeah, okay, apt environment variable script. Apt environment variable inside of Docker. Okay, apt inside of Docker. Okay, I mean, I guess this says it's the best practices, so I guess that's probably fine. Let's actually, you know what? We're not gonna do this as a separate thing. We're gonna do that all together. And that's just like, I think this maybe should work. And if it doesn't, like, it's a thing that I want to figure out. And honestly, let's not even bother building it. Well, actually, let's build it for AMD 64, if only because it finishes really quickly. And it'll let us know if we've got like any mistakes in our file. So I guess I don't super get it. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Package LZ4C conflicts with pyarrow, which depends on arrow CPP, which depends on LZ4C greater than 183, less than 184, greater than 192 or greater or less than one. Version. Okay. um. Let's see if this works. I feel like it should, but every time I come into this, I'm like, you know what, it's going to be super easy. It's going to take 5 minutes. Or, I mean, realistically, I was planning like half an hour. But there's always something. And I think my inability to remember this is a key part of me not giving up as a software developer. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, let's see. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm. This is once again just gonna make my little CPU very, very happy and warm. Okay, well, let's go ahead and find some nice royalty-free music to put on. Oh, yeah, okay. Genre is going to be ambient. Okay. Can't spell for garbage. That is okay. Sort by sure. Oof, no, this is a little too sad. Yeah. Cool. Take it. Take it. Yeah. My watch is judging me for spending so much time in front of the computer, as per usual. How long did the last build take? That took a while. Okay, so while that's going, other thing that I can do, conda install. We're just gonna go ahead. Actually, yeah, let's just Hello, princess. This one is probably not going to be the most exciting stream. Oh, yeah. Okay, thanks for the heads up. Let me fix that. Okay. Close cables around. I'm gonna switch the microphone. Because right now, well, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine. Okay. Over here, we go here, we plug. We go plug. Oh yeah, it's least I can do. Least I can do. Now let's go ahead and change our audio input to this one. Yeah. Is this any better? Or not? I don't know. It's good. If it's not better, this is what I got though. I like cheeseburgers and coffee. I really like coffee a lot. Cool. Yay! So, what happened last time is I tried to install a bunch of Python stuff, and then I got this like really handy hey, what's up? That's not a party message. Although interestingly enough, I only got this in ARM. The AMD 64 build just breezed right through. And I think that's probably just because like some of these things are certainly built for ARM, but it tends to be the later versions, and so some of the older versions might not be built for ARM, and so probably adding pyarrow sort of put it into a weird situation. So I am not really sure I understand what CA certificates was incompatible with. I don't know. So I guess let's go ahead. Okay. So I think it's just Python. And I think if we let the Python spec be a little looser, which we have, we've switched it from a Python 3.8 exactly to anything greater than Python 3.8. I'm hoping that our new friend down here will have more success and not explode. Yes, okay. Oh, I think I typed my password wrong. Oh, god damn it. Sudo blurp install dash dash yes, and this is just because I want to have my or not want to. It's good to have the client have the same version of everything. So we're just running the same conda install that we're running inside of the Docker containers because I'm running the client not in a container, just on my desktop. So there we go, and then this is a bunch more shit, and then this is a bit more shit. Okay, cool. And so now we're gonna hit enter, and maybe this will do the trick. Who knows? Okay, so this is not a great sign. So we can see it's examining for conflicts again. If we go up here though, when did examining for conflicts break? What percentage did it give up? Okay, 26%. And so for what it's worth, we made it to 71%. So like, I don't know, maybe that's good. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe it's good. Okay. Why is this not doing anything? Okay. Yeah. We can see it's there's some single threaded stuff going on, like the kind of whatever it's doing, it's doing it in a single thread. It's pegged that CPU, but it's doing it in a single thread. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I don't think we're going to succeed. But I'm yeah. Yeah, it could be. It could be. The versions are like they're not excessively constrained, right? Like I've got a fixed version of Dask here, and I want Python greater than or equal to 3.8, and otherwise it's pretty chill. But yeah, it's like these different libraries we can see have fairly specific like supported Python versions, for example. So it could just be taking a while to resolve all of the constraints. So let's hope it succeeds. We're gonna give it Alexa, create a 5-minute timer. We're gonna give it 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna switch from pyarrow to fast Parquet. Oh, actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and see if fast Parquet is compiled for fast Parquet. Is it compiled for ARM64? That is the question. No, it is not compiled for ARM64. Okay, so I guess we won't be switching to fast Parquet. Like it probably works just fine. But I would rather not deal with that, and instead we'll just pip install pyarrow, I suppose. While we're here, though, we can submit a fast Parquet feedstock thing so that it might get rebuilt for ARM support if we do end up needing this. Check out master, git pull upstream master. Okay. So we'll hope this does the trick. And let's go ahead, and the other thing that I want is fast Parquet. Save file. Yes, okay. Okay, cool. just add it to the list, and then the magic computers will do their magic computery things. Oh, that sounds like Timbit might need a poop, and this sounds like a good time for me to take a quick break and see if he needs a poop. I'll be back in a tiny little bit. Hey, baby. There you are. Alexa, turn on backyard. Alexa, cancel 5-minute timer. 5-minute timer cancel. Oh, such a good boy. Such a very adorable boy. Ah, okay. Oh, let's take a look. Wait, I feel like it got here last time. And then fails. But maybe this will be the time it succeeds, you know? Thanks. Thanks. I'm really hoping it succeeds. And then I can do the thing. And then after I do the thing and after it succeeds, I do the thing, and then I do the thing, and then I've got a frozen pizza that I'm looking forward to. I'm really excited about pizza tonight. So it's Mondays. Yeah, pizza is good. Pizza makes a lot of the things that I have to deal with at work more manageable. And so yeah. It's still building, but I'm optimistic that this time is going to be the time that we succeed. Misplaced optimism. It's the key to being, or I think for me, misplaced optimism is the key to surviving. Something, whatever it's called. It's the key to surviving the fact that, like, most of the time I do something and then it doesn't work. And I do something else and it still doesn't work, and then I keep doing that. Snuggle! Okay. We might actually, I'm tempted, I'm considering the possibility, because this got a message about, like, okay, we're so close. We're so close. We'll give it a few more minutes. Let's see. Spend. Okay. I mean, to be fair, we failed shortly after this last time. No, it's all good. Thanks for joining, and I hope you get some good rest. Okay. I'm hoping that this is the one which succeeds, but if not, that's all right. Oh! Damn it! Damn it. I got all excited. It said happy, and then it did the fail. Okay. Did it do the same fail as last time? Yeah, it did. Okay. Very well. Very well. Here's what I'm gonna do. We are going to try this, but this is going to take a very long time, and okay, I screwed up. There we go. Okay, cool. Okay, I think we're gonna wrap for today, and we will continue this adventure probably tomorrow, because you know it's been a little bit over an hour. I thought it was going to be like 20-30 minutes, so I'm gonna go make that pizza that I was talking about, and I'll get the container building, and I'll come back tomorrow.